Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So here I am at Treehouse Hotel, and just want to have some relaxing time and discover something new and different. So the reason I came here yesterday, I went to, I passed by here, I drove by here and found a hotel, Treehouse. Okay, yesterday I passed by here, so I was just very curious, want to take a look. Now here I am. So this one is called Treehouse Hotel Silicon Valley. Let me try to finish it. There are some sound. So this place is called Treehouse Hotel Silicon Valley. I think it's an international chain. And I saw something about London or somewhere. Maybe it's a big international chain. But this hotel has just recently opened for maybe only 2 months. It's under the new trend of boutique hotel. So it's not huge, it's not a tall building, it's small, subtle design, modern design in simplicity. And inside the hotel room, there is even hot water pot. And I just met one friend here, and she said she was very happy that they have hot water. And you can see the design. They use as much as possible the natural elements. There are these natural flowers, native flowers, native plants, and there is a lot of wood in use. And this sofa chair is actually different. Look at it. 1, 2, 3. All these 3 are different. It makes it more casual. I know it is intentionally made and intentionally choose 3 or 4 different styles, but it does make it look a bit more interesting, and with something like digital download wallpaper, and that is a cork, I think. That looks that wall looks very much like a cork, the soft wood. And the hotel is famous. Although it's a new hotel, my family has been here and told me that he heard about this place and have been here. It's a corporate event, and there is a big outside garden, swimming pool, and there is a pizza oven, and there is, what else do we have? And they have an award-winning chef. And downstairs there are some place for people to read, like a common room, but more simple, without much distraction. Anyway, it's just fun to see something new, to see something different, right? Okay, that is my report of this place. And I do not know much about the history or other things about this place, not yet. And just finding something new, finding something that is interesting, that is different. It enlightens me and it feeds my curiosity. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Goodbye bye. So I saw something fun and pretty. It's a greenhouse like, so that I came in, and actually this is not a greenhouse. This is not a store. This is the reception. This is the reception area, and with the store. Okay, I came to this beautiful place. Look at me. It looks like I am in a bookstore. No, in a garden store. But actually, this is the reception area. Let's take a look. This is not a plant store. This is not a garden store, but this is the reception area. And that lady, she's very kind and explained and allowed me to make this video. I find this place, just very interesting, very unique, and it was an international chain. There are 3 properties in this Treehouse Hotel. There is one in London, one in Manchester, and this one is the first, the one and only in the United States. And this place is a public place. You can come in, and they have activities from time to time. For example, today there is, or another day there is a yoga. You can just come in and do a yoga something. Let's take a look at these products. They are just quite unique in such a style. And you go to the reception, and it's a flower car. So cool. There is a book about Treehouse, or about the Treehouse place. And there are some beautiful books here. Look at this one. If I open it, let me hold the microphone. With some illustration, with some explanation, and such a good book. Imagine you come here and enjoy some reading. Well, a lot of time. Oh, the other day I saw this. A lot of time people are just too busy. It's so good to have nothing to do. And the lady here was very kind, and she turned off the music so that you can hear my voice. They are so nice. They are so nice. Anyway, it's such a fun discovery. I start to think that there are more and more chance that that we can live or learn to live a life that not thinking too much of others. I mean, not thinking too much of the other influence. This is a fun place. Then it is a fun place, and make the best of the condition. Sometimes you do need to have money, right? You do need to live in well off, but sometimes you can just keep an eye of curiosity, and then there are a lot of things to see. Okay, bye-bye, friends. Okay, bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye, bye.
Yeah. Welcome to Treehouse Silicon Valley.
Oh, she's so nice. Bye-bye. Bye. Stay in the flower. You are.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.